Gavana wa Machakos Wavinya Ndeti na Ndeti antwaka maria mena iroto cia kuruira iti cia gisiasa kwithirwa mebariritie gukandana nundu kibaroni gia siasa maria ingi macethi ni antu arume akiarekire kigomano kia utongeria wa antwaka kiria kibanganitwe ni rwangi rumwe kuma nthini ya Sweden. Wavinya na ugite antwaka ni methagirwa na KAGITA GAKOOMU muno CIACENE makiringithaniwa na antu arume.
And women.
We know the major constraints that create disparities that put us in the periphery of participating in public affairs. Top in the list are the gender-based stereotypes, cultural factors, what I've just been talking about, poverty, inadequate education, as well as inadequate exposure. So you coming here, and then also we know you will know what you do in your country. You know what we do in our country. So by the time we go back, we are sharpened as women, and we know what to do. So this is one way of us learning from each other. It is important to note that decades of studies have shown that when women are empowered to lead, everyone benefits through increased productivity, enhanced collaboration, inspired organizational dedication, and improved fairness. Never apologize for being a powerful woman. Each time a woman stands up for herself, she stands up for all women. Embrace confidence wherever you go. A confident woman is a beautiful woman.